Have you tried and failed to establish your ideal e-commerce business on Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, eBay, and other marketplaces due to account suspension, inadequate account management, and improper strategy? Say goodbye to all your prior mistakes and become a successful e-commerce entrepreneur to make your dream a reality. We are ready to help you manage your Amazon business safely using the latest methods. Introducing the new two-step dropshipping solution for your Amazon store. This strategy involves buying and delivering from suppliers to our warehouses. These warehouses remove supplier or trademark cartons and repackage items in generic boxes. Finally, deliver them to customers with valid packing slips and invoices. We manage the entire Amazon store, including finding winning products through product research, warehousing, inventory management, order processing, and tracking, return and refund management, customer support, by box winning, and much more. We are the leading Amazon experts on this platform. We have worked in more than 100 Amazon stores and have millions of dollars in business experience. If you do not know, we will guide you through every step. So what are you waiting for? Feel free to contact us for a free consultation.